Yo guys, it's me again. Don't judge me on my voice. My voice is just like this, I like talking on the phone. But now we're gonna plant our plants. Actually, can you plant there? I don't know what's the slip between there, but okay. A little. Okay, that's enough. Okay, there you go. I go now. Over here, the small plants we need to grow it up. On the small plants, but a little because the small plants will die. There's dogs over here. You must see my dog. You must see my dog. I don't know why. We're gonna take it away with the shovel. All of this here. You see all of the plants. Oh my god, guys! I hope you support me, subscribe to me. Kannada just search up usually at us, and it will work. And yeah, plant there. Look at this plants. I went away because of the sun. See you guys, and I'm gonna put it there. That's my friend again, Aisha. Say hello. Hello. Okay, this I go get more water. We need to like that. And I'm gonna plant that one. National shoe, of course, because it's always messy. You always don't see it. But okay, here's my paw. Okay, let's get. Let's get more. Oh, guys, it's too sad. What? Yes, sir. There's my friend. Okay, my friend is just there over there. And this. Yes, sir. Yes. We didn't plant here. Okay, wait. You are. Purple. I can't deliver this purple. I know, we're gonna take it away with the shovel. Okay, yeah, we're gonna take it away from this shovel. Look at this. Okay, so you're not gonna plant this one, but my friend did mine. She's getting mine for me. I'm gonna throw it now. Throw it. I'm gonna throw it. Okay, they didn't want to do anything. This is a 3-minute video. I have to make quick. Okay. Oh man, can you shut up? Asha, can you keep the camera? Okay, never mind. Keep the camera. Okay, it's fine because I don't need. Okay, never mind. I'll only do a first reveal if I get 15 likes. Yeah. That's what I do with you. And 1 subscribe by you guys. Okay. This is your contact. Okay, I'll do here also so those plants can grow. Okay. What do you mean? You must put. It's fine, I'm just gonna put the this down. Okay. I hope you guys enjoy this. Me and my friend is helping with the videos. He's gonna do more videos like this. Contact. I hope you guys enjoy it.